Hello everyone. Right now in this video, I am going to tell you about a, a mobile application called Socratic. This app is available on both iOS and Android OS. It is made by Google in 2013. Socratic is an educational app that can be useful for almost anyone, especially students. It is very easy and simple to use. Okay, let's first download it in the App Store. Okay, after you have downloaded it, just go open it. You can see here the preview. Okay, so after you have downloaded it, you have to first sign in first with your Google account. After you have signed in, then you can use it. This Socratic app uses camera to function. Okay, let me show you how to use it. Okay, this app just scans any question or problem. Just capture it with your camera, for example like this. Make sure all the question here fits inside the yellow border like this. Okay, then you have just tap the camera button on the bottom here. Okay, so make sure the question is inside the box so it can scan perfectly. Press the go button. Okay, let's try that again because it doesn't scan perfectly. Let me fit this well. Okay, so here you go. It scans what is a cell, just like the question I captured just now. Okay, then it shows the answer here, and it also explains it. If you scroll down, you have Q&A related videos about it and more from the web. You can see here. Okay, so we go on to the next problem. Like this one, mathematical problem also works too. One plus one, and there you go. You have number 2 is the solution. Question is the 1 plus 1 and the solution is 2. This app is mostly useful for students because it is easy and very helpful when doing homework especially. Okay, so we move on to the next feature here. This app also we can also just type in the question here. Just go to the left bottom. You can see a search button on the left bottom here. Just press it and you can type your question. Okay, so for example, I type in my question. And it found the answer here. What is a cell? It explains also. If you scroll down, it gives example, a question Q&A, related videos about it, and also more from the web if you want to know more. It also works like mathematical problem. Just type in. For example, I type the 1 plus 1. And there you go. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. It gives the solution here. And yeah, more info of it from the web. Okay, so we move on to the next feature. Also the voice. It also can record the voice. Let me try it. What is a cell? Okay, so we get the answer here. What is a shell? And also there's related videos and more from the web. Okay, so we move on to the next feature this app has. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see topics or any educational topics about biology, chemistry, physics, or mathematics, history. This is useful for students, especially if you want to learn more about biology. You can tap on the biology, and you can see many topics here. You can study each of these if you want to get good in studies. And it also helps you when you're doing your homework. For example, if you have a mathematics problem and you are doing algebra, and this app can help you. Have many topics here, and there's also history about the US if you want to learn. And I think that's all for the Socratic app. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.